Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. It begins with a smile. To sustain peace, we must build it every day, in every society, with every woman and man by working together towards a better common future for all. The theme for the International Peace Day of this year is Shaping Peace Together. With these motivational lines, I wish you all a very bright and cheerful good morning. Today, on the occasion of International Peace Day, the students of Class 8-Silver of Manish Papneja Memorial Public School are going to present the Arithmetic Assembly with the help of myself, class in charge Ms. Harjeet Gotra. Before we begin the assembly, let's pray to Almighty to take His blessing. For this, I request you all kindly join your hands and close your eyes for morning prayer, which is going to be presented by the girls of Class 8-Silver. All that the world needs is peace and harmony. Here are some the inspirational and warm quotes about peace and love which are going to be presented by the students of class 8 Silver. Have a look. Start.
Good morning to all of you. This is Gurdeep Singh of class 8 Silver. My quote is, we can never obtain the peace in the outer world until we make the peace with ourselves. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. This is Prikshit Kara of class 8 Silver. My quote is, if we have no peace, it is that we have forgotten that we belong to each other. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. This is Naman Agarwal of class 8 Silver. My quote is, the ultimate source of comfort and peace is within ourselves. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. This is Mudit Garg of class 8 Silver. My quote is, when the power of love overcomes the love of power, then the world will know peace. Thank you and have
Good morning to all of you. This is Namandeep of class 8 Silver. My quote is, do not leave the world and lose your soul. Intelligence is better than silver or gold. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. This is Jason Sani of class 8 Silver. My quote is, the most valuable possession you can own is an open heart. The most powerful weapon you can be is an instrument of peace. Thank you and have a nice day.
Any event, any program is incomplete without dance. As it is called Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. So, next, I would like to call the students of Class 8 Silver who are going to present dance in front of us.
जीवन में सुकून चाहे चाहत मिले वफा मांगे हालात बदलने में अब देर न हो मालिक जो देख चुके फिर अंधेर न हो मालिक एक तू ही भरोसा एक तू ही सहारा इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता नादान है हम तुम्हारे क्यों है हमें सजा यहाँ है सभी के दिल में नफरत का जहर भरा नादान है हम तुम्हारे क्यों है हमें सजा यहाँ है सभी के दिल में नफरत का जहर भरा इन्हें फिर से याद दिला दे सब वही कारवा बन जाए गुलशन फिर से कांटों भरी दुनिया एक तू ही भरोसा एक तू ही सहारा इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा हे ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता
Now, I would like to call Diksha, who is going to present her speech in front of us.
A very good morning to all of you. This is Diksha of 8 Silver of Manish Pakneja Memorial Public School. Each year, the International Day of Peace is observed around the world on 21st September. The United Nations General Assembly has declared this as a day devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace through observing 24 hours around the world. Peace means freedom, feeling of comfort and freedom from war and terror. Peace is necessary for all the people of this world. The purpose is to celebrate this day is to create an awareness about the importance of peace. The peace stop flying and olive branch in its beak is one of the most commonly featured symbols for the day. United Nations gives a message to the whole world to respect each other because an environment peace can only be created if people respect each other development in this region. On International Day of Peace, all schools, colleges arrange meetings to highlight the need and the importance of peace. The world has been badly affected by war and terror. We can take the example of First and Second World War, created the biggest disaster whose after effects can be felt till now. Only by respect and love we can make this world peaceful, prosperous and safe for us and future generation. In 2021, as we heal from COVID-19 pandemic, we are inspired to think collectively and collectively about how to help everyone recover better, how to transform our world that is one, equal, equitable, sustainable and healthy. The 2021 theme for the International Day of Peace is Recovering Better for Equitable and Sustainable World. We invite you to join the efforts of United Nations family and as we focus on recovering better for a more equitable and sustainable and peaceful world. Celebrate peace by spreading love, kindness and hope in the face of this pandemic as we can recover. In closing, let us all resolve to be
now at last, this is the time for national anthem. For this, I request you all kindly join us.